Shared folders make it easy to organize and share files with individuals or organizational units. They can also be used as a workspace before moving them to Main Document Register. Find and open the Shared Folder app from the Omega menu. Inside the app, you'll find the Register on the left side of the screen. The Register contains all the folders that you have access to, independent of the selected context. You can open the folder tree by clicking the Show Folder Tree button. In the folder tree, you can restrict the view to user context or exclude sub-org units by simply ticking the boxes. Your selection will be remembered, so that the next time you access shared folders, it will appear the same way. You can also easily navigate through folders or documents using the search bar, as well as the filter button. The folder tree also allows you to create a new folder. To do this, click the New Folder icon. When you open a folder from the folder tree, its contents will appear in the register. The document details are shown on the right side of the screen. Simply select the document you want to view in the folder, and its details will appear on the right side. You can add documents to the folder using the Add Documents button. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Shared Folders application. The Tasks drop-down menu provides several options for managing the folder. You can, for example, create a new document, hyperlink, shared folder, or document register folder. You can also copy, move, and send documents and folders, or upload and download the entire folder or selected documents within it. Right-click on a selected file to access the following functions: Upload new version, view file versions, open journal, copy link to document, download selected documents, delete, and rename. Under Settings, you can see the org unit and the parent folder if there is one. You can also choose to pin the folder to your home page. The Settings tab allows you to manage access and visibility. If you check Publish to Web, the content in the folder will be made publicly available online. Note that this feature may or may not be available, depending on the base configuration settings. If you check Do Not Inherit Access, users with access to higher levels in the folder structure will not have access to the content inside this folder. You can also enable notifications to be alerted when new documents are uploaded to the folder or any of its subfolders, or restrict creating subfolders to only admin users. Make sure to click Save to apply your changes. In the Shared with Persons tab, you can give access to individual users or groups. To do this, click Add Persons or Add Group. Then choose whether they should have editing rights or be set as admins. The Shared with Org Units tab lets you share the folder with entire organizational units and their subunits. You can then choose whether users in those units should have editing rights or not. The link to the shared folder can now be easily distributed. Just copy the URL and send it by email or post it where relevant. Those that you have given access to will then be able to view or edit the content. You also have a Journal tab where you can comment, upload attachments, and assign tasks related to the folder. Use the Add Content drop-down to add what you need. To learn more about Omega, visit academy.omega365.com.